Hello everybody, my name is Alex from Lifestyle Solutions. Today I want to talk to you about the Okin JLDQ-11 156.333 motor replacement. If you're looking for a motor replacement for your recliner or sofa, it is very important that you follow these steps before buying a new motor. First, you need to make sure you troubleshoot your switch and power supply. These two parts are the most common cause of problems, so before you buy a new motor, make sure you either troubleshoot them or buy new ones first. Once you are sure the source of the problem is the motor, make sure you match your model number to the compatibility chart detailed below. This 2021 Okin motor comes with 3 wires. If your old motor has 1 or 2, no problem. Simply safely tuck away the wire you do not need. This will not affect functionality. Remember, if you have any doubts, always contact us before buying to avoid unnecessary returns. Thanks for watching.